Welcome to Infoquizz channel. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? Parrot. Which bird is the national symbol of the United States? Bald eagle. What is the largest living bird by height? Ostrich. Which bird is known for its distinctive pink plumage and long legs? Flamingo. Which bird is capable of flying backwards? Hummingbird. Which bird is known for its elaborate courtship dance? Peacock. Which bird is the national symbol of Canada? Gray jay. Which bird is the fastest bird on two legs? Ostrich. What is the world's smallest bird species? Bee hummingbird. Which bird is known for its unique ability to dive underwater to catch fish? Cormorant. Which bird is often considered a symbol of peace? Dove. Which bird species is the world's largest living species of owl? Eurasian eagle owl. Which bird is known for its distinctively colorful beak? Toucan. Which bird is known for its highly social behavior and complex communication? Starling. Which bird is known for its remarkable ability to imitate a wide range of sounds, including human speech? Mockingbird. Which bird is the national bird of India? Indian peacock. Which bird is known for its long migration journey from the Arctic to Antarctica and back? Arctic tern. Which bird is known for its remarkable ability to hover in midair while feeding? Hummingbird. Which bird is associated with delivering babies in folklore? Stork. Which bird is known for its distinctive laughing call? Kookaburra. Which bird is the national bird of New Zealand? Kiwi. Which bird is known for its distinctive red-colored crest? Red-crested cardinal. Which bird is known for its remarkable ability to build intricate nests using mud? House martin. Which bird is known for its distinctive call that sounds like cuckoo? Common cuckoo. Which bird is known for its remarkable ability to mimic other bird calls and even human sounds? Northern mockingbird. Which bird species is known for its courtship dance, which involves leaping high into the air? Red-capped manakin. Which bird is known for its distinctive song that sounds like teacher, teacher? Ovenbird. Which bird species is known for its extraordinary ability to fly continuously for months at a time? Common swift. Which bird species is known for its distinctive courtship display, which involves dancing in pairs? Sage grouse. Which bird species is known for its distinctive call that sounds like whip-poor-will? Eastern whip-poor-will. Which bird species is known for its remarkable ability to build elaborate nests, often resembling woven baskets? Weaver bird. Which bird species is known for its remarkable ability to hover in midair while hunting for insects? American kestrel. Which bird species is known for its distinctive call that sounds like "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all?" Barred owl. Which bird group is known for its nocturnal habits and silent flight? Owls. Which bird group is known for its long, slender beaks and often feeds on nectar? Hummingbirds. Which international treaty protects migratory birds? Migratory Bird Treaty Act. What is the term for a bird's voice box? Syrinx. What is the function of a bird's air sacs? Helps respiration. What is the function of a bird's gizzard? To grind food. What is the term for a group of birds? Flock. How do birds navigate during migration? A, B, C are correct. The process of a bird shedding its old feathers and growing new ones is called? Molting. What is the largest living bird species? Ostrich.